Hello friends, welcome to Trading Income, and in this video we'll discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty view for tomorrow, which is a Friday, 7th of January. So before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing it because daily we do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis along with 3 intraday stocks for the next day. So let's start. I will share the Nifty daily chart. This is the Nifty daily chart. As you can see here in Nifty, it was a hammer type of candle. So the green candles rally has stopped. Today it gapped down and it went down and then it went up. So V-shaped movement was there. We'll see the 15-minute chart. So there is a pause in the rally, but the sentiments are still bullish because in the second half, again, the bulls came back and price went up. So as we can see here, today Nifty gapped down. First 15-minute candle, a red candle, then it went down, and from here around 12:30 it started a reversal and went till the open. So this was the story for today, and what can be expected tomorrow? So what can be expected tomorrow? So tomorrow we can expect, see here, this will be the higher range. Resistance will be this level 17 940 levels will be the resistance, and on downside 17600 will be the support. So this 400 point range will be there, and till this moment it can be sideways. And as we can see, today's high is important, which is this one 17 this thing 17 we can consider 17800. So if 15-minute candle closes above 17800, we can go long, and below this today's low we can go short, and between this range we can be, there is no direction here. One can go with non-directional, or above this we can go for buy side, and below this we can go for sell side. Or one more thing we can do is, if we see rejection at this level, rejection at the today's high, then we can go for sell. And if we see some reversal from this level, then we can go for buy. So these can be the four scenarios which we can apply. That can be the plan for tomorrow. And quickly we'll see the Bank Nifty chart, which is the spot chart. As we can see here, Bank Nifty was more bullish. Bank Nifty first candle fell and it did not fell much. Nifty was more bearish, but Bank Nifty was more of a bullish today. So it was sideways till here, and after 12:30 it started moving up. So Bank Nifty is more bullish. As you can see here, if it 15-minute candle closes above 37,800, we can go bullish. It will be bullish, and this will be the support here. 37,100 level is the support level. So between this it can be sideways. So small direction we can catch here, but the big direction will come above 37,800 only. So quickly we'll see the stocks for tomorrow. So we'll see the stocks for tomorrow. Okay, the first one is GAIL. GAIL, we'll see the daily chart to get an idea of overall view. What is the overall view? As we can see here, a big red candles are forming here. See here, big green candles are forming here. This is a green candle, again a green candle. So close at the high. So one can expect levels of this 142 can be expected here, first target, and the second can be 143. These levels can be expected. One can enter above the high. Above the high we can enter. This can be our targets, and stop loss can be 1 point. So this can be the plan for this stock. Second one is Motherson. The daily chart, as you can see here, a big green candle form, close at the top, volume is also high. So above this, above the high we can buy for tomorrow, and this can be the targets. 240 levels can be the first target, and the second can be this level, which is 243, and stop loss can be around 2 points can be the stop loss. So this is for Madhusumi. Third one is VBL, which is Varun Beverages. This is FMCG stock. This is on the sell side. See here, a big red candle form, close at the low. So volume is high. So here below the low, we can short, and target can be this level. 822 levels can be the target, and 820 can be the second target. And now stop loss can be around 5 points. So these are the three intraday stocks for tomorrow. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And the exact levels of entry, stop loss, and target I will put on my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And if you want to learn trading from me, you can join our Telegram channel. Details will be there. Details are in the description also. And wish you all the best. Wish you profitable trading, and see you tomorrow.